In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ehlers Adaptive Cyber Cycle Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have this indicator set up on your charts and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this, because we're just focusing on getting the indicator added and configured. On your main chart window, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might simply say Indicators, or it might show as Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the indicator panel, which is where you can access built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites. Once the panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find specific indicators instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into the search field so it's active and ready for typing. Now, start typing Ehlers Adaptive Cyber Cycle Indicator into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Be sure to spell it as accurately as you can so the correct script appears. When you see the Ehlers Adaptive Cyber Cycle Indicator listed in the results, move your cursor over it and click once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate area below your price candles or bars. With the indicator now visible, the next step is to adjust its settings so it fits your personal style and strategy. On the chart, hover your cursor over the indicator's name. You should see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can usually modify inputs such as lengths or smoothing factors, and also visual options like line colors and thickness. Take a moment to review these options. If you're new to this indicator, you might want to start with the default values, then come back and fine-tune them as you gain more experience. You can also adjust the style to make the lines stand out clearly against your chart background, which is especially helpful if you're using multiple indicators at once. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features and a smoother overall experience, be sure to use the sign-up link in my video description. That way, you can get the most out of indicators like the Ehlers Adaptive Cyber Cycle and keep your charts clean, fast, and professional.